how to turn on two-step verification on eBay so you can protect your account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable and get the two-step verification. So all what you have to do is go to ebay.com. Now go to the top and click on account settings. Now go to sign in and security option, and you will find the option of two-step verification. All what you have to do is click edit, and you will be able to add an extra layer of security to your eBay account so you can protect it good and well. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.